Stay low. Stay low. Wait, just stay there. Stay there. Hold it. Hold it. Hold that corner. Hold that corner. I got you, dude. If they come around that corner, we're good. We're good right now. Just don't stand up. Go, go, go.
I can't hear shit.
You're all dead. You blew yourselves up.
Wait, we're all dead. Wait, team kills don't count.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
There is friendly fire. Ask the ref real quick. Ref!
I can't hear shit.
Hey, ref! Ref! Is there friendly fire? All right, they're all dead from the nade they just blew themselves up with then. Tell them, please.
Okay, word. He jumped out. Hey, we have one still in. Hey, we're all, 3 of us are hit.
All right.
One more coming out.
Don't tell. Don't you shoot now. That's hell. Yeah, very second, like 5 times.
We have no blood for it. What the fuck are you doing? Take that gun fucking out. Shoot with your head, not your fucking gun.
Grenade! You're dead. We got it! Green's got it! You like that shit?
Yeah. 3 minutes remaining, Airsoft. That's a really IQ play.
Green has the building! I thought we were capturing this.
No, they switched it now.
Oh, fucking A. Hey, they're coming back. They're coming back. He's pushing hard. I can hear him. Get on that corner. Move up, Green! Green, move up! Move up in that hallway to us. We need you.
Yeah.
Here, sit right there for a second. Regroup here. Regroup on me. All right, here we go. Let's hold this shit. Yep.
Being a squad leader.
Do you hear that fucking cocky son of a bitch fucking talking shit to us? I took his ass out. Fuck that kid. Hey, who's got an AR? There's 2 guys in the wide open right here. Brody, take him out.
Yeah, there's 3 or 4 of them doing it.
Across. Look, Brody, in the far left corner. Far left corner, down low.
Huh?
Take some shots. Yeah, far left.
Oh, I see him.
You see him? You're shooting in the woods. There you go.
Damn it.
You're good. Aim up if you need to. Brody, get eyes on that hallway. Make sure no one's sneaking up on us.
Jesus. My shots won't hit.
Huh?
My shots ain't gonna hit.
I'll make sure you get that.
All right, there's some. Hey, don't poke. Do not poke up right here. There's 3 guys sniping in on us. Stay down.
We have to do the head of the machine gun.
Stay down.
Wait, what am I gonna do with the head of the machine gun? Where's the press right now? Just stay down.
Hey, let's move up, boys. Boys. Let's go. Don't sit in the open. Don't sit in the...
Go right here. Right here.
Take point, Marine. Take point. I'm on your 6.
Careful.
You take point. I'm right on you.
Right. Ready?
Go. Slow. Stop here. All right. Same thing, moving forward. Ready? Go. Cover us left. Sit down. Cover it. There you go. We got enemies.
Remember, 50-50.
Look out.
Back it up. You have to back up.
All right, where's the line?
No idea.
Is that the line right over there? Hey, we need to back up, all right?
30 seconds remaining. Point still held priority.
He's scoping us. Can you point your barrel through that little hole? That one? I'll cover you. I'm gonna poke out so he shoots at me. Ready?
All right.
I gotta reload.
This is cheeky.
Ready?
Yeah.
Just keep shooting at him when he pokes. Good shit.
Nice.
Fall back, fall back.
2, 1.
Good shit, brother.
Bro,
Good shit.
that's all you, man. You got the leadership skills.
No way, man. You were taking point, brother. I was just right behind you. Hell of a fucking round. Yeah. So freaking thirsty. Yeah, my sons. I appreciate it, man.
I was saying, I brought 2. That's usually enough.
I know,
And
right?
then this mid cap got turned into a Moroccan. It's
Oh, okay.
not really supposed to do that.
That's not so sad, man. Thanks for giving it back. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
You got a barrel back?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Did you have enough ammo for the rest of the game?
Yeah, he's good.
Make sure your barrel bag's on your gun.
Never give these guys those time again. They hoop and holler about it, and nobody else.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to get